Okay guys, sorry about that. I was talking too much, so we have to break this up into a second video. This is going to be a little short, but as I was getting cut off, what I was saying is this chart down here actually summarizes the keywords for you. And the first line is going to be what's going to be on one side of the equal sign, and the bottom line is going to be the other side. So this kind of goes into like a big explanation about it. But what we were talking about, John had his 60 bulbs that were already planted. Then we know he plants at 44 bulbs per hour. So we're going to use B as our variable. So we got our constant of 60 plus 44B. That represents John's planting ability, I guess. Then Sarah already planted her 96, and then she has a rate of 32 bulbs per hour. So let's see what happens now. So we clean up that equation, and this is what we get. We're going to subtract 32b on both sides. So that gives us 60 plus 12b equals 96. And then if we subtract 60 on both sides, we have our variables all on one side and our constant on the other. And now it's a simple division problem. 12 divided by 12 on both sides, and you get b equals 3. So what that means is after 3 hours, John and Sarah will have planted the same number of bulbs. Or, I'm sorry, after, this is how many hours it'll be until they have planted the same number of bulbs. Sorry, I don't know why I went backwards, so my apologies. So that's it. Again, if you have any questions, please let me know. Send me an email, send me a stream message, and I can help you out with that, okay? Here is your homework. So once you're done listening to this video, I want you to start on the homework. It's page 43, 15 to 51 odd. That'll be due tomorrow. So if you are at home, I want you to take a picture of the homework and upload it to this assignment. And if you're at school, I'll collect it from you tomorrow. All right, have a great day. Bye.